So if you follow me on, oh, that's bright. Look good though. Put you right here. If you follow me on the Snapchat, I don't know why I'm doing this. You'll know that I busted I guess not busted, but I managed to get a slice in my sidewall on this tire. These tires are pretty much brand new. Stay there. Alright. So, anyway, if you follow me on the Snapchat, you'll see that happened, which you don't, because the only person who does that is you, Steve. So, I'm about to fix it. Now, before this goes down, this is like a trail fix, or like a fix for a spare tire, because that's what I'm gonna use it as. I'm gonna use this as a spare tire. So I already got another one. You can see the Jeep over yonder, can you? I don't even know. But here. It's somewhere. What the hell is this? Is that a piece of chip? I don't know. Anyway, somewhere inside here, right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. Slicing the sidewall. There you go. Right through the sidewall. It happened while I was on my way to work. I show up there, it's all fine. Halfway through the day, it's completely flat. So, right now, I'm just gonna mark it so we don't lose it. Now, I've never, well, take that back. I watched one guy repair, come on, get in there, a tire for like one of those industrial dump trucks. I saw one of those videos on Facebook. But other than that, I've never seen anyone do this. So this is about to be a learning experience for me. Maybe you as well. I guess you. So you went to Walmart, got this tire patch thing. It's supposed to like scuff up the area with this cheese grater looking thing, but since it's curved, it ain't gonna fit in there, so we just gonna find something else. Through my drawer of goodies, I picked out this. I mean, I guess you could use some sandpaper, but that would take like forever. And I'm all about time management. So I've yet to open this either. So what we got in here? Rubber cement. More rubber cement. Okay, that's good. And then I assume the patches. Yeah. And we're also 30 minutes looking for this tool. I'm pretty sure this is brand new. It's never been used. But I found it way back in under all that old crap. So anyway, for the most part, I know that you grind that down, put some rubber cement on there, put the patch on there, then use this pizza cutter looking thing and go like this, or maybe not this side, maybe this side, or go like this. I don't know. I don't even know if this is the right tool. I guess we're about to find out. So let's see if this works. I literally taped you guys to a piece of 2x4 that I had sitting around. You see that? There you go. Try to get some action shots up in here. Put my PPE on. Okay. Next. We got our patch right here. This is, I don't even know what size this is. Let's see. Say, focus, come on. 2x4 patch. Only got one of these. Get some of that rubber cement. Okay. Poke the top. Oh man, oh! I got everywhere. I gotta spread this out somehow. I really don't want to use my hand. Ah, geez, it went everywhere. It's all over my phone. I don't know how I'm supposed to spread this out. A popsicle stick. Here we go. How about this thing? This half of a clothespin. We's gonna need more. God, I made a fucking mess. See, it's so runny too. Make sure you put it at the top. I wish I knew how to edit music into these videos. Or else I would. So you guys don't have to listen to silence. Alright, now we wait. Alright, I've let it sit to dry up a little bit. Now, how about we just put you inside here? Is that gonna work? No, that ain't gonna work. You fell off my 2x4 already. So, I'll just show you before and after. So, I mean, that was like simple enough. But now, we use this pizza cutter thingy and we do a little bit of rolling. At least, I'm assuming that's what this is for. I mean, this is weird looking. I mean, that one's pointy and then this one's like, I don't know, concave a bit, but is now complete. Probably couldn't even tell, but now get some more of that there rubber cement. Put more around that there edge. Real nice like this. Anyway, I got this kit at Walmart for like $3. I mean, you can't really get any better than that. There was another kit there. It was about the same price, but it was for like an inner tube on like a bicycle or some shit. I ain't about that life. Get you your half a clothespin. Smear it on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't be shy with this stuff neither. Oh yeah. We got 2 of these things and I haven't even used up the first one. Oh yeah. Here we go. Yeah. You know what this smells like? You ever, like when building model cars or airplanes or trains or whatever, this smells exactly like the glue that you get from Hobby Lobby or some shit. Like the stuff in the red bottle. If you get the stuff in the blue bottle, that stuff smells like oranges though. It smells real nice. Anyway, let that there dry up. And if this tire kit does suck, keep it handy, because it may save your biscuits one day. So, how we doing over here? Poke it. I touched the butt. Still a little bit tacky. Actually, I think that'll be perfect. Next, you get your can of Flex Seal, because Flex Seal fixes everything. Ain't that right, Phil? Of course it is. Shake the hell out of it. Then you just spray that all over there. Here we go. Bam. Look at that. Ooh, that stinks. What do you think? Well, maybe like 2 or 3 coats. That shit'll never leak. And I'll probably put this whole video at the end of my next video. Or not next video, this video. The one you just watched. Which is the cheap, easy tire fix. So yeah. In case you're wondering, yes, it does hold air now. Have I mounted it back on the Jeep? I have not mounted it on the Jeep. I was actually thinking about building a tire carrier for the Jeep. So, in the comments, let me know if I should do that or not, because that's the kind of stuff that I really enjoy. What up? You like my douchey, deep V-neck? Yeah, I don't. But anyway, I was sitting here thinking, like, I haven't uploaded a video in, like, almost 2 weeks. Well, I'm about to, let's put you down. Hey, look at that right there. So anyway, look at that, hands free. Anyway, I was sitting here thinking, like, man, I haven't uploaded a video in, like, almost 2 weeks. Well, here's why. One, I'm moving, so that's very stressful. Not really stressful. That's very time consuming. 2, I just got a new job. Like, and when I say just got a new job, I mean like 2 hours ago I just got a new job. Anyway, videos will not stop. They just might slow down for a little bit. Hopefully, I will see you soon at the new house. And yeah, out of like, I don't know, my 35, 40 subscribers, if you really feel the need to want to see my house, I will show you in the shop. It's nothing special, but obviously tell me what you think. But anyway, good talk. Me, this boy right here, and you, Steve. I'm just kidding, Steve, you're not alone now. I've been building that audience, I'm pretty much a YouTube celebrity at this point. I'm surprised people don't come up and ask for my autograph,